Hello, welcome to the Creating a Lead Signup Widget tutorial. The Lead Signup Widget provides you with an easy way to embed a signup form for your leads into your navigation or sidebar. This feature is not available to light subscribers. To create a Lead Signup Widget, select Design, Widgets, and Legacy. Click the Create New button in the upper right-hand corner. Select Lead Signup from the drop-down menu. Choose a name for your widget. This name is for reference only and will not show up on your website. Next, click the Build Widget button. The final step in this process will display your widget code. Simply copy the code and paste it into the HTML of the web page where you would like it to appear. You can also add custom CSS to the widget using the Customize Widget CSS section. Once you have placed the widget embed code into your website and published the changes, you will be able to see your new Lead Signup widget immediately. If you intend to use this widget in more than one location on your website, you should duplicate the widget for the secondary location. Using the same widget instance more than once on the same page will cause display errors. For a comprehensive library of support topics, please visit support.idxbroker.com.